Hello children, today we are going to start our lesson number 5, that is water everywhere. In this lesson we are going to learn about sources of water, types of water sources, that is natural and man-made, water in our home, water then and now. Children, water is a natural resource and it's an essential resource too. Without water, living things can't live. It's very essential for all living things. Shall we start our lesson? Water. We drink water every day. We use water for bathing also. Do you know where this water comes from? As I told you, we living things needs water to live, isn't it? We drink water every day. In a day, we drink water so many times. Not only drinking, we use water for so many work or for our household work. We bathe from water. Many more work we do with water. Okay. Do you know where this water comes from? Let's see. Rainwater. All living things need water to live. We all get water from different sources. The main source of water is rain. The water from rain is called rainwater. As I told you before, all living things need water to live, not only human, plant, animal and all living things need water to live. We all get water from different sources, but the main source of water is rain. The water from rain is called as rainwater. In rainy season, we get plenty of rain. With that, we get sufficient water for our day-to-day use. If rainfall is short, we face water scarcity. That's why rain is a main source of water. Let's see some water bodies. Water bodies means where water accumulates. Those are called as water bodies. Let's see some examples for water bodies. First one is river, pond, lake, well. Nowadays we rarely see wells. Stream. Stream is a small water body which is created by rain. We can see streams in forest. Waterfalls. Waterfalls are made up of river. Sea and ocean. Sea and oceans are also water bodies. Children, do you know from where we get salt? Salt is also very important. In our day-to-day life, we need salt for so many purposes. Especially in cooking, we need salt, isn't it? We get salt from seawater. Seawater tastes salty. From seawater, we produce salt. Children, these are water bodies. We need to preserve and protect our nature to preserve water and all these water bodies. In our next session, we are going to learn about other water sources and types of water sources, that is man-made and natural. Revise once again. Take care of your health and stay healthy. Thank you.